Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This is now day 4, I think, of me posting videos, so I'm so happy you guys are enjoying it. I've been reading you guys' comments. I've really been enjoying it, kind of getting back in the groove of things. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching them and getting ready to watch them every day for the next few more days. So this week I'm using this kit from Glam Planner. It's actually called Disney. I was looking at my invoice when I purchased this back in 2018. I bought this March 10th, 2018. I had to go back in my Etsy like purchase history, but it was called the Disney February Mystery Luxe Kit. Um, I think she had like extras and I may have purchased it on her Etsy shop when Glam Planner was on Etsy. So I'm just gonna call it the Disney kit, but it was like the February mystery kit for 2018. And I've had this obviously since then, and I have been wanting to use this kit for so long. I've definitely gone to Disney since I've been planning and haven't used this kit. I don't know why. I don't even know if I did use a Disney kit. I used like the Crest Press Disney kit. But I'm so happy to be using this kit. I love the bright colors in it. When I did get this kit, I didn't pick up the glitter headers, so I used these glitter headers I've had forever as well from oh my gosh, I can never say this shop's name, Street Chic Sticker Boutique. So I've had those for a long time. They already have foil in the headers, but I also put down some header overlays from SPC. This was like a misfit that she had that she released a while back, and so I thought this foil like matched perfectly with this kit. So let's go ahead and get started with the day by day. First thing I'm marking on Monday. This was the day I had to work so early in the morning. I know I said that I did it like a couple plan meets ago, but I got it mixed up. This was the day. I picked up a shift that was for 5 a.m. my time, so Pacific Standard Time. Um, and so I had to wake up around like 4:30 and be on my computer by 4:45. So I worked in my pajamas, which was the first day I've ever worked in my pajamas. I don't like doing that because I don't feel like I'm as productive. So I get ready like I usually would if I were to go into work every single day, except this was a day I made that exception because it was so early in the morning. Also had some tea this morning. Dean made me some tea. He prefers me to drink tea, but I love my coffee. Tea does not do what coffee does for me, and I need it. So, um, it was nice for him to make me tea, but I would have preferred coffee. But I've been trying to get into drinking more tea, but it just, like I said, doesn't do much for me. The tea script is from Ice Cream Joe, and I use a fox and cactus tea, um, food doodle, coffee doodle, I don't know, to mark that. Also, after work this day, I think, what time did I get off? So I started at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. So I got off at 1. So I took a nap after work because I was extremely exhausted because the night prior we really didn't go to bed super early because our dog was like barking all night. Um, so I took a nap. The nap script is from Letters to Apollo, and I use an emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. And then Dean and I just had a really good talk. I don't remember what it is. I never remember what our talks are about. It's most of the time just like moving, and just kind of, I don't know, figuring things out. So I used a Whimsical Cat Studio couple to mark that. Also watched some Bones in bed, which I never do. I never watch Bones on our TV. I actually just watch it on my computer while I'm filming these Plan With Me's. So it was really nice to just kind of sit in bed and watch it. And then the bone script is also from Letters to Apollo. And then this day I also called the doctor. I finally found a doctor and I actually really like her. So I finally did that because I just needed to get some things taken care of. And then we had a pizza night. I think we may have ordered in pizza. I use a pizza night script from Adorably Amy Designs, and then the icon is just from the Wiggle. I also FaceTime my dad this day. I usually FaceTime him on Sundays, but we were just super busy the day before. So I FaceTimed him this day. The FaceTime script is from Letters to Apollo, and I used an emoji to mark that. And then to end my Monday, I had really bad cramps, which is not typical for me. I don't ever really get cramps, so they were extremely painful this day. I had to take some Advil and everything, and it was fine after that, but it was definitely weird for me to get cramps. And I used a Glam Planner girl to mark that. Moving on into Tuesday, I just had a super lazy day. I had the day off and just was feeling like crap. So I decided to have a super lazy day and just stay in my pajamas all day. And then also, I used a GP girl to mark that we looked at houses today. Um, we are moving back to California, not anytime soon. We're going to definitely do it once our lease is up. We're not going to break our lease. We're just going to kind of stick it out here in Arizona, but we are going to be moving back to California. So we were looking at houses. I think next time we come back, which will be after the election, that's when we will decide if we're going to purchase a house, possibly, or rent. So we don't know yet. But the next time we do go back to California, we will be looking. And then I also made some shrimp tacos because I was just having a weird craving for shrimp tacos this day. And so I decided to make it. And then down on the bottom, I marked that I got my period. Maybe TMI, but this is like the first time I can actually mark it in my planner because I don't really get my period that often. So I decided to mark it on there. And then moving into the later day of Tuesday, I was on live chat with sorry, I like stuttered, the DMV and the Arizona DMV, which is called the ADOT, the ADOT. I don't know. I know like you guys that live in Arizona are like, it's not how you say it, probably, but I don't really know. But yeah, my registration got suspended, and I wasn't sure why because, well, I do know why. They said I didn't have insurance, but I've always had insurance, and I pay a lot of money for my insurance. So I had to get all that taken care of, and it's just been something I've been putting on the back burner, and I just need to get done. So it was a very long chat with the DMV and the Arizona DMV. And then I also did a Target order this day for a Target pickup, and Lala was sick this day. Moving on into Wednesday, I woke up pretty early this morning. I did have work later on the day, so I wanted to get an early start. The Wake Up Early script is from Kinsey's Creations, and then I use a Fox and Pip girl getting kind of like cozy with her blanket and coffee because that was pretty much me. And then I also did a Target pickup this day. And I know I mentioned this a few Plan With Me's ago that whenever I do a Target pickup, Dean always ends up wanting to go, and then we end up shopping at Target. So it defeats the whole purpose of doing a Target pickup. So that's what happened again this day. So did my Target pickup and got a couple things at Target as well. We also did a grocery run. We went to Sprouts and just did our weekly grocery shopping. We did stock up a little bit because we knew this was going to be the last time we went until we came back from California. So we got everything that we needed for the next week and a half. Both of those scripts are from SPC, and then the pickup sticker is a munchkin from Once More with Love, and I use a pumpkin paper coat girl to mark the grocery run. Also, this day I made a super yummy sandwich. I do need to get scripts that just say sandwich or something like that because I don't have any, and I've been really into eating sandwiches, so I think that's what I'm going to do in my next Kinsey's Creation order. I need to get that. And then I use a pumpkin paper coat girl to mark my sandwich. And then overall, I just had a really great day at work. I used a munchkin to mark that. And then we ended our day with watching Dexter. Which, if you have not seen, my friend Gabby actually is one that told me this because I was not aware that they are doing like a reboot of Dexter, and we are so excited. And the next Plan With Me, that's the week we actually finished it. So it's kind of recent since we finished Dexter. I think they're going to be filming in the beginning of next year, so that's so exciting. Even though my favorite character, Deb and Quinn were like my two favorite characters in the movie or in the show, and Deb obviously will not be in there, but I'm hoping Quinn will be there. I love Quinn so much. So if you guys are fans of Dexter, let me know. Okay, moving on into Thursday. I slept in this day. The sleep in script is from SPC. Also had some more tea this day. Same thing, the tea time script is from Ice Cream Joe, and it was Payday. I love Payday. Who does not love Payday? I used a Payday script from SPC, and I got some Happy Mail this day. Moving on into the later part of Thursday, I did some laundry. I used a Glam Planner girl to mark that, and I also vacuumed the house. We actually both vacuumed the house. I did downstairs, he does upstairs, which is really nice because it was a hassle having to do both of them. So I kind of was just like, you know what, we just need to split it because it's a lot. The vacuum script is from Kinsey's Creations, and the girl is from where is it from? Oh, Sit with the Plan Co. And then also on Thursday, we finished our night with watching Dexter again. The Dexter scripts are actually customs from Adorably Amy Designs. I think today, when this video is going live, I think she's having a sale right now, or like she brought back the tiny customs, which is what I got. And I think they're like 325, 350, I think, for a sheet of customs, which is a really good price. So, and you get so many on the sheet too. So definitely go check out Adorably Amy Designs for her sale. And then moving on into Friday, I did some online shopping. Don't remember what I bought. I think it was just stickers. I purchased some stickers. Don't know what from what shops, but the online shopping script is from Letters to Apollo. And then this day, I must have marked it on here incorrectly because I know last day was the first day of SM. Oh, this was my first day on SM. I mentioned it yesterday in my plan with me that Lululemon is now on like Instagram and Facebook to like purchase through the posts. So it started last week, but my first day on it with being fully strictly on that was that this Friday. So I marked that on there with a Stick with the Plan Co girl. And then Dean cooked dinner this day. I think he just cooked pasta. It must have been pasta because I used a Fox and Cactus pasta sticker. I think it may have just been like sausage and tortellini because that's like one of his favorite things to eat. And so pretty sure that's what he made. And then I also got off early this day. It was such a slow day, and I was like running out of emails to reply to, which never happens. So they kept asking like, if you want to go home early, you can go home early, and I just was like, no, like just stick it out. But it was like messing up my productivity because I wasn't doing anything and there was nothing for me to do. So I was like, you know what, I'll just leave early. So I think I left like maybe 30 minutes early. And then we ended our night with watching Dexter once again. During this time when I was filming these Plan With Me's, which was like a month ago, I was trying to use all my Dexter stickers because I knew we were going to finish it soon. And I was like, now I'm going to have all these Dexter stickers and have nothing to do with them. But now that it's coming back, I can definitely use them again. So I did mark Dexter a lot throughout these Plan With Me's. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog. They're like messing around behind me. I use a munchkin to mark watching Dexter at the end of the night. Moving on into Saturday, um, this day, Dean and I were just like super annoyed with each other. It was mainly me because Dean was annoying me. And it was about the whole coffee thing and how, was it coffee? He gets like, he doesn't like that I always drink coffee. He doesn't think it's good for you, which is true. Drinking a lot of coffee is not good for you. But I also think it was something else as well that's like similar to that whole situation. So he was just being annoying towards me, and I just was not dealing with it because I was just not in the best mood. So I used a munchkin couple to mark that, and then an annoyed script from Kinsey's Creations. I also had a Bones binge this day. I think I was also on emails again this day, so I usually have something on while I'm doing emails. So I watched some Bones, and then I use a GP girl to mark that. Also cooked some dinner this day. Don't know what I was cooking, but I did cook something. The cook script is from Right Brain Paper Co., which she is no longer open. I know she announced she was going to close, but I don't know if she's already closed. So I'll check on that and let you guys know tomorrow. And then we had a movie night. The last 2 days we actually watched a lot of movies. So we watched 5700 on Amazon Prime, which was so good. It's like that airplane pilot movie with that really famous actor that I don't know his name. And then we also watched Bedroom One, or I think it's called One BR. I put BR1. I think it's called One Bedroom. It's like a low budget get out type of movie. It's on Netflix. It's a very short, super quick movie. That's why I really liked it. And then we ended our night with having pizza. Moving on into Sunday, first thing I marked is that I washed my hair, and then we had tacos for dinner this day. Or I had tacos for dinner. I don't know what Dean had, but I ate like by myself because I was actually FaceTiming my family this day while I was cooking and eating dinner. My dad had gone down to Monterey to go visit our family, and I always FaceTime him on Sundays. And so when I FaceTimed him, he happened to be over there. So I got to see like my grandparents and some of my aunts and my cousins. So it was really nice to hang out with them over FaceTime. I use a family time script from Kinsey's Creations and an emoji to mark that. Also had some beers this day. I think I may have just had it by myself, but with my family on FaceTime. Um, so I used where is that sticker from? Paper and Milk Cheers beer sticker. And then the last thing I mark on Sunday is that we had another really big movie night. I know I'm a little ahead, but I know the ending goes by pretty quick. So, the movies that we watched this day are The Take, which is on Netflix, Malevolent, which is also on Netflix. It's kind of like a scary-ish movie. And then Uncut Gems, which actually did not finish. I think I got maybe halfway through because we started pretty late and I was like getting so tired by the last movie. And Uncut Gems is a really long movie, so there was just no way I was gonna be able to watch the whole thing. Still haven't watched it, need to finish it, but it was a pretty good movie and it stresses me out. So if you've seen it, I'm sure you can agree. My dad says the same thing. He's seen it as well, and he said it's so stressful. But yeah, so here's a close up of this week's plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys can be notified when I do post my videos, which are going to be daily at the moment. Have a few more days left. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's Erica Marie Plans, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.